Hi everyone, I'm Anastasia Pereira and you are on my channel about makeup. In this video, I'm gonna do this classy but simple and modern look that I usually do for bridesmaids or wedding guests. And this is my lovely model. Her name is Inna and she's naturally beautiful without any makeup, which gives me a lot of responsibility not to spoil and overload this beauty with makeup. First of all, I styled her hair into a very simple wave on the iron, and what I want to do is keep it simple, quick, and just get a fresh and glowing skin and open, defined but still delicate eyes. I start preparing her skin with thermal water. It calms down, cleanses, gives the skin a fresh start. And as a base, I apply a beautiful, pinky, glowy, pearly primer with my favorite flat brush. Don't say anything. This is not the end. Everything just beginning. Just beginning. This is a perfect night. I wanna see your light shine. Everything is alright. Next goes a light layer of long-staying foundation with matte satin finish. I distribute it with a synthetic brush and then blend everything out very well with a wet sponge. And like that I get a very even, slightly glowing, porcelain-looking skin. Give you something real. Show me what you really feel. Don't let time get away from us. Doesn't she already look gorgeous? Maybe I should stop right now. Well, I will color correct the area under the eyes and apply the orange tone of corrector locally on the areas with the brightest purple discolorations. For this I use a flat brush and on top I will apply some concealer to even things out and correct some rednesses on the forehead. This is a perfect night. I wanna see your light shine. Everything is alright. In the end, I blend everything with the same sponge to take away the extra product. Next goes a radiant powder. I apply the lightest color as a highlighter on the highest points of the cheekbones, a bit on the nose and eyelids, and darker colors mixed together on the contour areas, sides of the forehead, chin, and along the area under the cheekbones.
I'll give you something real.
Finishing it up with a touch of fresh peachy blush and moving on to the eyes.
Don't let time get away from us.
So this is a really simple and useful formula of an express eye makeup. At first, a light metallic in the center of the lid.
My soul in your hands. This is our one chance. Waiting my whole life.
Then the lightest sparkling color in the inner corner of the eye and a little bit under the brow.
This is not the end. Everything just beginning. Just beginning.
Middle tone matte color, in my case peachy, but it can be also light brown, in the outer corner of the eye, blending out and blending in the crease.
Everything just beginning. Just beginning. This is a perfect night. I wanna see your light shine. Everything is alright, alright. We will be together tonight.
Blending out the edges with a fluffy brush.
Feel your light at the first time. My soul in your hands. This is our one.
Blending the lower lid with a light brown color.
Just try tonight. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. This is not the end. Everything just beginning. Just beginning.
And darker tone, chocolate brown in this makeup, on the lash line with a focus on outer corner with a small brush.
I'll give you something real. Show me what you really feel. Don't let time get
And then I blend the edge so that it becomes a quite soft but rather noticeable defined line. I'm finishing up the eyes with a black mascara.
time. My soul in your hands. This is our one chance. Waiting my whole life. Just try tonight.
And then I'm fixing everything with the transparent powder, mainly under the eyes and in the center of the face. And like always, I just slightly touch the skin with a brush, not to overload it with powder. I want the skin to look natural and don't want the skin to look overpowdered or too dry. Now I'm moving on to the brows and I will give them some volume with the gel first and then fill them in with a brow pen.
Beginning, just beginning. This is a perfect night. I wanna see your light shine. Everything is alright, alright. We will be together tonight. Whole world in your eyes, and I feel your light at the first time. My soul in your hands. This is our one chance.
And I finish this look with a nude lipstick and a lip gloss in a peachy color.
Just try tonight. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. This is not the end. Everything just beginning. Just beginning.
And this is the express look for a bridesmaid. It usually takes me around 45 to 50 minutes in total with the hair, and that's why I do it so often on the weddings when I have a limited time resource. I hope you like it too. Please share with me in the comments, would you like to wear a look like this for your friend's wedding? Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video inspired you to try something new. I wish you a great weekend and see you next time. Ciao, ciao!